Welcome to our HVAC Multimeter tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to master this essential tool. First, let's talk types. Analog and digital multimeters are your options. Safety is key. Always wear gloves and never test live circuits without proper knowledge. Let's dive into the basics. Voltage tests for AC/DC, continuity checks, and resistance measurements. Don't forget capacitance testing for capacitors. It's crucial for HVAC work. Real-world applications? Check a capacitor, test compressor terminals, or diagnose a fuse or relay. Pro tips: always zero your multimeter before use and replace batteries regularly. Use the correct probes and range for accurate readings. If this tutorial helped you, like and subscribe for more hands-on HVAC training.